Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and we are in the safest city of the Philippines. This is the Durian capital of the Philippines, the king city of the south. This is Davao City of Mindanao, and I'm going to take you to a food tour in some of my favorite restaurants in Davao, Philippines. Our first up is former President Rodrigo Duterte's favorite in Davao City. This is a small eatery or carinderia along Quezon Boulevard near the famous Magsaysay Park and the famous Magsaysay fruit stand. And as soon as you enter the restaurant, you will see a lot of memorabilia from the former President of the Philippines. And I was told that his favorite is the Tapang Kalabaw. Kalabaw is Carabao in English, and if you haven't tasted any Carabao meat yet, this is the best place to start. And this is Sana's original Kabawan and Bulaluan. They serve some of the Mindanaoan favorites like Balbacua. Balbacua is a collagen-rich stew. They also have a brain stew, and they told me that this is really good. And of course, they have the humba. Humba is like a Mindanaoan adobo, but a little bit sweet. Our next stop is in the beautiful Samal Island. This island is the beach getaway of Davao province. We have videos of the two best resorts in the island. If you want to check that out, I'm going to put the link in the description of this video so that you can check it out later. Anyway, in this restaurant, they told me that they serve the best beef Dalang, and they also have the best Balbacua in Samal Island. Both dish is a Mindanaoan cuisine favorites, and beef Dalang is like the bulalo of Luzon with a lot of chill. Back in Davao City to taste a jeepney driver's favorite eatery. This is in the intersection of Quezon Boulevard and Roxas Avenue, and this is Roxas Driver's Choice. In this carinderia or eatery, you'll find local favorites like balbacua, halang-halang, grilled pork face and ears. They also have tuna kilawen, or in English, tuna sushi with vinegar.
Smoky goodness.
So this is another place to taste Davaoeños local cuisine, but I need to warn you about how smoky the place will be. So if you have asthma, I won't recommend this place, but if you're fine smelling like a smoked pork, then you'll be okay. By the way, this is a nice affordable place to eat and to taste Davaoeño cuisine. And because we're in Davao City, we need to stop by Magsaysay fruit stand and eat the king of fruits, the famous durian of Davao. And this next one is my absolute favorite in Davao City, and you won't believe how cheap it is in here. This is Crab & Co. Seafood Buffet, and this is for only 625 pesos or 12 US dollars for unlimited shrimp, crabs, many kinds of fish, chicken inasal, lechon kawali, sushi. You get what I mean. It's worth every penny of what you pay. Next one is the famous Luz Kinilaw and Inihaw. This place is famous for their tuna kinilaw or tuna sashimi, and of course the tuna inihaw or grilled tuna, and this place is a must visit in Davao City. course, after a big meal, we need to eat dessert. And the combination of Putomaya and chocolate is the best dessert you can get in Davao City. Putomaya is a kind of rice cake and chocolate is a chocolate drink. And you can get it fresh in baby Puto. The next one is one of the best restaurant in the city of Davao. The food here is great, but the view is amazing. This is one of the best restaurant to have a date. It has a romantic vibes and this is where you want to take someone if you want to impress them without breaking the bank. This is Vista View Restaurant in Hilltop. And for our next stop, we need to go to Bankerohan Public Market. This is one of the major wet market in Davao City. And in the middle of this, you will find Taz Eatery at Bankerohan. This is the most affordable eatery that I have eaten in Davao City, but the taste is something to remember. This restaurant is so famous that the tourism department of Davao City included this place in their city tour. Balbacua. Lalo. Lalo. Alang. Alang. And our next destination is a exotic kind of restaurant. This is in the Davao Riverfront Crocodile Farm and Zoo. And in this place, you can order a ostrich and a crocodile. Their chicken inasal and their barbecue are good. But of course, these are still not crocodiles and ostrich. But let me tell you a little secret. I told my wife that I want dessert, but she doesn't know that I ordered the crocodile ice cream. Yep, they have a crocodile ice cream in this place. We also went to the Davao City Night Market. We went there for one specific thing, and this is the famous Mandanis ice cream of Davao City. A local told me that this is the very first ice cream of Davao. That's why I think if you're going to visit Davao, this ice cream is a must taste when you're in the city. And the last but not the least, Mama Still at Ibaba is a pastil restaurant in Davao City. Pastil is a street food in Mindanao and Visayas area, and the best way for me to describe it to you, this is like the spam musubi of Davao. And Mama Still took that street food and make it a little bit classy. So this is an affordable, complete meal. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope I made you hungry and I hope I made you want to go visit Davao City in the future. This is an awesome city. It's the safest city in the Philippines. And please don't forget to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel so that I can take you to more beautiful places and more food trip like this in the future. Thank you. Take care. Bye.